4's Maria LaRosa's here. It's day 2 of this fall season, Maria. How much longer can we go?
We've got about 90 days left of fall now, but it's going to be overall pretty pleasant. I have some clouds and actually a few sprinkles I'm tracking too. So let's start there. We have on the satellite and radar picture some clouds rotating through. You see a little bit of green, a few spots for parts of Suffolk County. So I'll keep that in mind, just enough maybe for the windshield wiper, and that should be just about it. But it is the same system that's going to keep the clouds around from time to time. Starting out in Suffolk County with that north wind, East Hampton at 52, Mount Sinai 58 degrees. We're sitting at a 60 right now at Central Park, dipping into the 40s for Monticello under fair skies, and Poughkeepsie now at 51. So we do stay dry humidity-wise and for the most part rain, but you'll get some sun and clouds moving through during the afternoon. Temperatures climbing up into the mid-60s, dipping down into the 50s already by 10 o'clock with clear skies, so another bout of dry, cool air for later on tonight. All right, Lauren, I know there are some slowdowns already out there.
Oh, yes,
there are some clouds and even maybe a few sprinkles for eastern Long Island, Suffolk County. Just heads up as some of this rotates through. 60 degrees right now in the city. Merrick down to 59. We're down to 48 in Monticello, where skies have cleared. So off to a good start. We'll see sun and clouds through the day today. 61 degrees by noontime, on our way up to the mid-60s. While we were looking ahead to a pretty cool forecast, look at the jump we're now expecting for the weekend. Mid and upper 70s are back. I'll talk about the update to the shower chances too in that 10-day forecast. The temperatures for the next couple days going down and then back up. Wait till you see this 10-day. 60 degrees right now in the city. It's 58 in Islip, 56 in White Plains and Sussex. Some of the cloud cover we're seeing out there keeping the temperatures from dipping too quickly this morning. Down to 48 though, with clear skies in Monticello. So today it'll be another afternoon below average but comfortable. 65 degrees, a northwest wind about 5 to 10 miles per hour. So still technically below average. And then once we get those skies to clear again tonight, the winds really ease up, basically calm. We're going to see those temperatures really drop down to 50 in the city. Still expecting widespread 40s from White Plains and Sussex, Poughkeepsie, Hartford as well, parts of Long Island and Eastport. But we could see a few 30s, especially those higher elevations. So we're talking Hudson Valley from Claryville to Liberty, Kingston getting down to 43, Newburgh at 43. So that is definitely the jacket and sweater weather for tomorrow morning. A little bit warmer for tomorrow afternoon with mostly sunny skies, but once again we stay in the mid and upper 60s into the 70s. As far as the change up, while we're seeing a warm up for the weekend, I do think for the whole weekend the rain should stay away. By late Sunday, that's when we start to see some of those showers move in, and still looking a little unsettled here for much.
Horrified.
Like, what? Now you're going to cry about September?
All of a sudden it feels very real. Right, Lauren? Yes, and Maria's here looking at that weather for us.
30 days just went whew, right, flying by. All right, well, here we go. It is going to be a nice fall afternoon, sun and clouds, and for some of us even this morning, maybe a few sprinkles overhead. We've got that happening right now in eastern Suffolk County. Zooming in, that little bit of yellow and orange, maybe more than a sprinkle as it pushes off from the north here, just to the east of Southampton. So heads up there. It's not going to be all day, but that's the flow that's going to keep the sun and clouds around today, keeping us from mostly sunny. 60 right now in the city, 58 in Islip and Bridgeport. We're down to 51 in Poughkeepsie. Partly to mostly cloudy most of the day, but staying with that low humidity and below average temperatures. 62 by 1 o'clock, 65 by 4 p.m. We clear out once again tonight and quickly cool down, 57 by 10 o'clock. All right, Lauren, how are things moving or not moving?
They're not moving.
Check with Maria. I don't know why I almost called you Lopez. Are we related? I don't know what happened.
Let me get in my Jennifer Lopez mode.
That's what it is. You're as fabulous as she is.
And we've got some clouds and some showers out there right now. But overall, a pretty nice day ahead. We're looking at those clouds, keeping temperatures up just a bit, so we're at 60 at Central Park. Mostly to partly cloudy through the day. That means sun and clouds. While we have a few cool mornings and cool days ahead, look at the bump we're expecting for the weekend. Back up into the 70s. We have a few more of those in the 10-day forecast, but along with that, timing out some showers for you. That's ahead. Yes, exactly.
Sorry. Yes.
All right, guys, let's show you what's happening out there right now. Picking up on the radar, just a few sprinkles in parts of Long Island, eastern Suffolk County. You can see for the Hamptons, not much out there, but it's all part of that bigger picture as all of this rotates around. So we're going to see clouds and sun today, still staying on the cool side because we still have that flow out of the northwest because of that front and what's after it that has moved through over the last couple days. So once we get some more drier air coming in tonight, sort of a reinforcement, we get a nice little break, a nice little run. But a cold front dropping from the north and an approaching area of low pressure, that's going to combine to do two things. It's going to bring back the rain shower chance, but also bump up our temperatures for the weekend. So it's going to be warmer and a little bit unsettled heading into next week. Right now, though, out there we do have the mostly cloudy skies, at least right overhead. You sort of see that blanket, the view from Brooklyn Heights. 60 degrees right now, still comfortable with the dew points in the 40s. So today, 65 degrees, sun and clouds, still comfortable. Northwest winds about 5 to 10. We clear out, light winds. That combination will help temperatures drop tonight to near 50 in the city. Lots of 40s, though, north and west. 45 in White Plains. We'll be down into the 30s in Monticello. So all those areas, Pike, Sullivan County, higher elevations, you're going to feel that chill tomorrow. And we get another day below average tomorrow afternoon with that sunshine. So as far as the weekend outlook, yes, it's warmer, but also I think for the most part by Sunday afternoon, we're still going to be on the dry